Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the featured image size in the WordPress. So let's get started. So it is very easy to change. You have to follow these easy steps. So to change your featured image size, you have to follow steps. So first of all, you can just open the editor of that post. Just click on the gear icon on the right top section of that settings panel. In the settings panel, under the post tab, you have to select the featured image. Then set the featured image. Then upload the image, or just select the media library. Just click on the alt text field, and from there you can just add and just you can remove that featured image. So if you have any questions, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.